Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create Bootstrap dashboard design using a free AI. So we are going to use here OpenCode CLI to actually complete our project. And to install OpenCode CLI, what you have to do, you have to download Node.js at first, because we need to run a command to install OpenCode CLI, and there we have npm. So to run with npm, you have to actually install Node.js. Go for the browser and type Node.js org. Then you will find this nodejs.org. Then just click here download to go to the download link. And here you can see we are in the download page. Now you can actually select any long-term support version. Here you can see, and then go for the .msi, and then it will be actually start downloading, and then you just have to install it in your PC like other application in your PC. Now go for the command prompt and type node-v to get the version. If you get the version, it means you have successfully installed it. Alright. Now we have to actually run here npm I for the installation, then -g to install it globally, then OpenCode -ai at latest. Now hit enter to install this, and it will take some time to install it globally. Here you can see npm I for installation, -g for globally, then OpenCode AI, and then at latest to get the latest version. Alright, so we just have to wait for some time to complete the installation. So guys, here you can see we have successfully installed it. Now we can actually access OpenCode CLI from anywhere in our PC. So to get the version, you can write here OpenCode -version, hit enter, and then OpenCode will be open here. It will actually show the OpenCode version. Here we go. This is the current version. Now I don't want to create project here. I want to create somewhere else. So let's say I want to go to this PC and then web technology drive, and here I want to create my project. So I'm going to click here new and then folder, and let's name it, let's say dashboard. Okay, dashboard. So let's go inside the dashboard, and here we are going to open CMD. So in the address bar I will type CMD. On the other hand, you can right click on it and open terminal, but I will go with CMD and hit enter. Command prompt will be open here. Currently you are in W drive, right? W drive dashboard, and here we are going to say open code and hit enter, and now it will start open code here. So guys, here you can see we have open code here. Now ask anything, it means we have to give here a prompt, then it will actually create project for us. Currently I'm in W drive. Here you can see in the left bottom corner. So you can actually manually give here a prompt. On the other hand, if you want to generate a prompt, you can actually go for a chatbot. So let's just go for a chatbot, and in this case I'm going to use ChatGPT. You may use any other chatbot like Gemini or anything. Okay, so it's up to you. And here we just have to actually mention that what we need actually. Okay, then we will actually ask for a prompt. I need a user and admin dashboard design using only Bootstrap. Okay, then I will use OpenCode CLI to complete the design. So can you give me a prompt? So we just have to actually hit enter to get the prompt. Now you can give here more information according to your need. So this is the prompt we have to use, but if you want to change anything in the prompt, you can actually regenerate it. Okay, so I'm going to go with this. So I'm going to copy this prompt. Now I'll copy this, and let's go back to the OpenCode CLI command prompt. Here we have to actually paste it. So you cannot actually paste it through your mouse by right clicking on it. What you have to do, you have to press Ctrl+V from your keyboard. Here you can see pasted approximately 99 lines. Now if you are from Linux, you have to press Ctrl+Shift then V. But if you are from Windows, then you have to press only Ctrl+V. Now we'll hit enter to generate it. And here you can see it will take some time to generate this. And here you can see to do's. It means it will actually create the user dashboard.html, and here you can see, and then create admin dashboard.html. Okay, so we just have to wait for this. So I'm going to fast forward the video. So guys, here you can see created two responsive dashboard HTML files. Now we have separate dashboard. So let's just go for the directory, and here you can see this is the directory, and here we have user dashboard and admin dashboard, and this is the user dashboard. The problem is we can't actually access all the pages because there is no page, only single page. So what I'm going to do is we are going to actually mention here that we need separate page for every section. So I'll say we need separate pages for every sidebar. we'll say like profile to profile, orders, messages, okay, and hit enter. Now, and let's go for the admin dashboard. So here admin dashboard, and you can see this is the admin dashboard. So it took all the pages separately. Here you can see, guys, here you can see it creating all the pages, but it actually taking too much time. And but here you can see we got here some pages. So these are the admin roles and users and everything. Here you can see. So I'll actually mention this, that these pages are not accessible from the admin dashboard. Admin hyphen dashboard. Okay. So these pages are not accessible from this admin dashboard. So connect them through Anchor Lee. So I will hit enter, and here you can see this is cubed. It actually currently doing a task. Here you can see, and after the task will be complete, then it will actually go for this. So basically, it will actually complete the whole project, and you can actually you don't need to actually connect them. Also, you don't need to do any coding here. You don't have to create separate pages. It will actually do everything. Okay, you just have to mention here in the chatbot. I mean in this command prompt. Okay, and here you can see I will fix the navigation. Okay, so it will actually fix all of them. Now you can see that all the pages are actually made here. You can see, okay, all the pages are ready, and we can actually now access them. Okay, here you can see messages, orders, messages, settings. Okay, all the things. Okay, orders, and every page is actually working here. You can see profile, then dashboard. Okay, so guys, that's it. This is how actually you can create the whole dashboard design, user interface. Any kind of changes if you want to make, you can actually just mention here in the OpenCode CLI. That's it, guys. I have shown you. Thank you so much for watching.